Hello student, I am Dr. Bharat Gadak, Assistant Professor, Department of Geography, KRTR, BH Commerce, AM Science, popularly known as KT Chung College. Student friends, I am warmly welcome you to today's class. We are talking about the GGDT 114 Principle of Population and Settlement Geography. Paper number is 4 and semester number is first. Now the topic number is fourth and population structure and characteristics. Now today topic is literacy in India. Today we are going to learn this topic. Topic name is literacy of India. Now student will be discussion from last lecture from the literacy of India. Now what is meant by literacy will be discussed from the last lecture. And now who can read and first of all now student will be discussed from the last lecture. Now here topic number is 4 population structure and characteristics. Now age and sex structure concept of aging population, dependency ratio, sex ratio definition, affecting factors of sex ratio of India, then population composition, religious, linguistics, then marital and educational, literacy definition and measures of literacy. And last topic, literacy of in India, will be discussed from the all topic will be covered from the last some lectures. Now today topic is the literacy of India. Now first of all, what is meant by literacy and will be definitions and some concept of literacy will be the backgrounds of the last lecture will be some points. One who can read and write, his name is considered a literate person, but his competence is inadequate from the point of view the requirement of present day society according to United Nations organization. The literates who is one who has the ability to read and write, who can read but cannot be write is considered of semi-literate. According to the census of India, a person who can both read and write with understanding the any language is to be taken as a literate. Different criteria are used in various countries. There is no one common definition for the entire the world. There is a difficult to compare the proportion of literates for the different part of the world. Structure of the population on the basis of proportion of literates varies different part of the world. Following some characteristics of structure, proportion of literate is low for rural areas. There is a dearth of the educational facility in rural areas. Similarly, there is absence of the proper environment needed to spread of education. Now, literacy is related to the type of occupation. There is no need to the educational and technical skill to work in agriculture. In industrial sector, however, educational qualification and technical skill are essential. There is any proportion of literates is higher among those engaged in secondary and tertiary activity. Now, proportion of literates is higher for developed countries than that is developing countries. The main reason for this is that developing countries, due to the technical and technological progress, the proportion of people engaged in secondary and tertiary activities and occupations are high. This is the occupation require educational and technical training. Normally, proportion is literacy is higher among males and then among females. There is no particularly the developing country. This is because lower social status of the women in the developing country. In rural areas, parents are not keen to educate their the daughters. In addition to this, lower age marriage for girls and household work they are required to do also contribute towards a lower proportion of literates among the females. Literacy also related to religion and caste in India. Now literate is lower than among the Muslims and that among the Hindus. Similarly, proportion of literates is lower among the people and belonging the scheduled caste and tribes. The main reason to lower proportion of literates among the people and belonging to scheduled caste and scheduled tribes is that they are the deprived education facility to generation. Literacy is also related to socio-economic status of population. Proportion of literates is high among the people and belonging to higher middle class and rich people. The reason is that the people have an easy access of educational facility. Now these are the some different way according to the some census of proportion literacy. Total population of various countries are enormously. Australia and USA are also two countries have the proportion of literacy in total population high 100%. Among the Australia recently inhabited countries relatively small population. On the other hand, the total population of USA is not very small socialistic setup of country as ensure proportion of food and clothing, shelter, education, all. That is the result of the 100% of the literacy in US for economically developed countries, proportion of literate 90%. Now USA, Netherlands, Germany, France, Belgium, Japan, Sweden, they also category. Those socio-economically developed country and they developed which is enjoy the development of in century. Naturally, proportion of literate is high because the benefit of socialistic setup of the Czechoslovakia East European country has also belonging these countries. United Kingdom proportion of literate is around the 97%. United Kingdom, first country of the undergone the industrialization, has a long tradition of social reform is a result of higher proportion of literacy in total population. Now Southern Europe and proportion of 95% of the around the most of these countries developed country and European countries more developing compare the countries of the mentioned above. Now this is the some countries like literacy of in India. Now some literacy of India. Literacy is in India is the key of socio-economic economic progress. Now here, despite the government and programmers, India literacy is increased and slowly. Now in the 2011 census indicate the 2001 and 2011's decadal literacy growth rate is 9.2, which is slower than the growth rate during the previous decades. Now older analytical 1990 study has estimate that it would be take until the 2060 in India achieve the universal literacy than current rates of the progress. Census of India average literacy rate is 74.4 in 2011 census. Now National Statistical Commission survey literacy is 77 point in 70 to 18 around 90. Now literacy rate is urban areas is higher means 87.7% and rural areas with 73.5%. There is wide gender disparity in literacy rate in India. Effective literacy rate age 7 and above was 84.7% and men and 70.3% for women. Now the low female literacy rate is a dramatically negative impact of family planning and population stabilization efforts in India. Studies have indicated that the female literacy is a strong predictor of use the contraceptive among the married Indian couple, even when women do not otherwise have economic independence. Now, the census is provided the positive indications of the growth of female literacy rate means 11.8% substantially faster than the male literacy rate is 6.9%. Then 2001 and 2011 census decadal period, which is means the gender gap appear of the narrowing. Now here literacy definition and measures literacy I will discuss for last lecture. Who one can read and write his name is considered of literate. The competency of Indian advocate from the point of view of the requirement of the present day of society. The is a classified definition right of definition. The literate is one who can ability to read and write, one who can read and but he cannot write, to consider of semi-literate. The literacy rate is the number of educated people in a population over the age 15 who can read and write. Now census of India will also define as the definition of literacy a person who can both read and write with understanding in the any language is to be taken as a literate. Literacy rate increased in the 64.83% in 2001 may be increased and 74.4% 0.4% in 2011 census. Now this is the 2011 census is a total 74.4% and 82.4% is the male literacy and 65.4% is female literacy. Now this is the some literate person literacy for male person and literacy for female person literacy total. Now one by one will be discussed from the state, union territories and all the states. Andaman Nicobar is 91.1% and male literacy and female literacy is 81.8% and total literacy is 86.3%. Now go to the next state Andhra Pradesh 75.6% and 59.7% and total is 67.7%. Arunachal Pradesh is 73% and 59.6% and total literacy is 67.0%. And now Assam. Total literacy of male population is 78.8% and the total literacy rate of female is 67.3%. Our total literacy rate of the in Assam is 73.2%. Now in Bihar, literacy rate of male is 73.5% and literacy rate of female is 53.3% and total literacy rate is 63.8%. Now Chandigarh, 90.5 of literacy rate for male literacy rate, and female literacy rate 81.4, and total literacy rate is 86.4. Now Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh literacy of male literacy is 81.5%, and literacy rate of female is 60.6%, and total literacy rate is 71%. Now Dadra Nagar Haveli's literacy of male is 86.5%, and literacy rate female is 60.56%, and total literacy rate is 77.7%. Now go to the Daman and Diu. Daman and Diu's literacy rate is 91.5%, and female literacy is 79.6%, and total literacy rate is 87.1%. Now Goa's literacy rate is around more than 92.8%, and female literacy rate is 81.8%, and total literacy rate is 87.4%. Now Gujarat's male literacy rate is 87.2%, and female literacy rate is 70.7%, and total literacy rate is 79.3%. Now Haryana male literacy rate is 85.4%, and female literacy rate is 66.8%, and total literacy rate is 76.6%. Now Himachal Pradesh male literacy rate is 90.8%, and female literacy rate is 76.6%, and total literacy rate is 83.6%. Jammu Kashmir's male literacy rate is 78.3%, and female literacy rate is 58%, and total literacy rate is 68.7%. Jharkhand male literacy rate is 78.5%, and female literacy rate is 56.2%, and total literacy rate is 67.6%. Now Karnataka male literacy rate is 82.8%, and female literacy rate is 68.1%, and total literacy rate is 75.6%. Now here we are in the another one more. This Kerala is 96 point is male literacy rate, and female literacy rate is 92 point, and total literacy rate 93.6%. Now Lakshadweep 96.1% is male literacy rate, and female literacy rate is 88.2%, and total literacy rate is 92.3%. Now Madhya Pradesh is 80.5% of male literacy rate, and female literacy rate is 60%, and total literacy rate is 70.6%. Now Maharashtra's 89.9% is male literacy, and 70.5 is female literacy, and total is 82.9% of total literacy rate. Now Manipur 86.5 of male literacy rate, and 73.8 is female literacy rate, and total is 79.8 literacy rate. Now Meghalaya's male literacy rate is 77.2%, and female literacy rate is 73.8%, and total literacy rate is 75.5. Now Mizoram is male literacy rate is 93.7%, and total female is 89.4%, and total literacy is 91.6%. Now go to the next state, Nagaland. Nagaland's total male literacy rate is 83.3%, and total female literacy rate is 76.7%, and total literacy rate is 80.1%. Now Delhi's total male literacy rate is 91%, and female literacy rate is 80.9%, and total literacy rate is 86.3%. Now Odisha's male population literacy rate is 82.4%, and female literacy rate is 64.4%, and around total literacy rate is 74%. Now Pondicherry's male literacy rate is 92%, and in the female literacy rate 81.2%, and around 86.5% of Pondicherry total literacy rate. Now Punjab is total male literacy rate is 81.5%, and female literacy rate is 71.3%, and total literacy rate is 76.7%. Rajasthan is 80.5% of the male literacy, and female literacy is 52.7%, and total literacy rate is 67.1%. Now Sikkim is 87.3% of male literacy, and 76 is female literacy, and total literacy rate is 82.4%. Now the Tripura is 92.2% of the male literacy and 83.1% of female literacy and 87.48 is total literacy of Tripura. Now in Uttar Pradesh, the male literacy rate is 79.2% and female literacy rate is 59.3% and total literacy rate is 69.7%. Now last one is Uttarakhand, total male literacy rate is 88.3% and the female literacy rate is 70.7% and total literacy rate is 79.6%. Now West Bengal is 82.7% of male literacy rate and female literacy rate is 71.2% and total literacy rate is 77.1%. These are the literacy of various state and union territories of India. Now various disparity and various very distributed from the country, overall the country. Now student will be stop here today lecture from the literacy in India, maybe different state and different union territories will be discussing here. To our student, any doubt, any query, ask anytime questions and write a mail bharatgadak@ktechungcollege.ec.in. Now student will be stop here. Now this topic will be cover over. Now next lecture will be continue. Next topic will be okay. Good day. Bye bye.